High School Chorus. His students know him as Mr. Black. As he's done for the last 33 years, William Black stands on his desk, warming up the West Hill High School Chorus before a concert. But this warm-up will be Mr. Black's last. He's retiring. Mr. Black thinks we're here to capture some of the spring concert. But the real reason? His students invited us for a surprise.
We just wanted to give him a nice farewell, and we figure nothing better than writing a nice ballad for him.
And he has no idea.
He has no idea.
Senior Ed Regner and the rest of the chorus wrote a song for Mr. Black and have been practicing it since April.
He will be very surprised, and I really hope he enjoys it as much as we put so much work into it, and it should be a great show.
Let's go out there and let me hear some inspired singing tonight. Okay.
As Mr. Black heads onto the stage for his last concert, his students follow behind, one by one, knowing there's one song Mr. Black isn't expecting. Cheers and a standing ovation greet Mr. Black, who will lead his award-winning chorus in his final performance. More than a dozen songs later, the students get the chance to perform their ballad. They give Mr. Black a chair and a box of tissues, while one of his former students returns to conduct. And the song is titled, We Will Always Remember You.
Well, you should have gotten tissues up here for us and to warn all of you at home. That was lovely.
It was a tearjerker, one of the nicest stories I've had the pleasure of covering.
Great group of kids and tremendous Mr. Black.
Way to go,
Take a
Mr.
break,
Black.
hit the goal.
You deserve it.
Yeah, you clearly deserve it.
33 years.
That's great.
Okay. When we come back tonight, how would you like to drive